Hello guys and welcome to Bits Bytes. In this video we discuss about the how to create the array of user defined data type or how to create the array of non-primitive data type. In last video we discuss about how to create non-primitive data type or structured data. So I create already one thing. I create one structured address in the address structure having 5 elements, that is house number, street, country, city, state. I create the array like a index of 5. There is a similar way to create the array of the user defined data type. So I use the identifier int I 0 int I. I use the for loop for entering the data in our program and for showing the content I use another statement, that is next statement. So I use one more function, that is flush and fgetters. In previous video we used getters function. This is a bonus point of this video. We use getters function. In getters function we know that one thing, it gives the warning, compiler gives the warning. So instead of we use fgetters, instead of use getters we use fgetters. In fgetters having 3 arguments, that is destination, source and how much memory or size. How much read the value 50, 40, 60 is not a it's a length of the value. 50 character read from the standard input and stored in the add ith location, address of ith location, house number. And this is all about the fgetters. And second function is flush, standard input. Flush is function used for the clear the input memory, because sometimes if you entered the data in the input box or input memory, then that memory is not clear, then that memory create error or skip the next input statement. So this is we done. That's why I am using flush every scan fgetters statement. Guys, you can see my code on the GitHub account. In my YouTube channel art, you can click the GitHub or a one GitHub account or the link in the description of the playlist. You can go to my playlist, C language playlist, and click the link of GitHub. You see my code over here. I write the code, you see my code in your PC and try to compile that program and do your own also. I write one. I give number, but over here number is not a valid input for this. See, all data are stored successfully. the data in for creating the array of our program of user defined data. Guys, don't forget about like, subscribe and share. And in this video the index add is like a constant pointer of type is struct address, and this one loop is in this block. If in this block, only in this block, in this block one is for only we discuss in this boundary or index number 0. We discuss about index number 0. In this block one block is for house number, one block for the street number, one block for the city name, one block for the correct state name, and one block for the country name. And there is a continuous memory allocation in our memory, and you can able to see the address of the memory. Now you can see this is the memory allocation of the variable add memory allocation is 338879 It's your readable format, but actually it's a hexa or hexadecimal format. It's a hexadecimal format. So this is for hexadecimal value, and this is the actual memory address. This is actual memory address. That's why it's awkward to know what is this. That's why it's a human readable, it's not a human readable. That's the difference between those. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget about like, subscribe and share my channel and videos.